Welcome to our video exploring 18 Chinese proverbs about money and wealth. These proverbs offer unique insights into the relationship between money and life, highlighting both the benefits and pitfalls of wealth. We'll dive deep into each proverb, discussing its meaning and offering examples of how it can be applied to real-life situations. 1. He that has no money might as well be buried in a rice tub with his mouth sewn up. Topic: The value of money and poverty. This proverb emphasizes the importance of money and the consequences of not having it. It suggests that being without money is equivalent to being buried alive with no chance of being heard or seen. It highlights the dire straits that poverty can lead to and how it can deprive people of even the basic necessities of life. The proverb also implies that one should strive to acquire money to avoid being buried in poverty. This proverb can be used to encourage people to work hard to improve their financial status and avoid poverty. It can also be used to illustrate the consequences of being careless with money or not having a financial plan. 2. Losing comes of winning money. Topic: Gambling and risks. This proverb warns that gambling, or any other form of risk-taking in the pursuit of wealth, can result in losing everything one has. It suggests that winning money can lead to a false sense of security and reckless behavior, ultimately resulting in losing what was gained. This proverb highlights the importance of being careful when taking risks and knowing when to stop. This proverb can be used to caution against excessive gambling or taking unnecessary risks in the pursuit of wealth. It can also be used to encourage people to be cautious and prudent in their financial decisions. 3. Rich men accumulate money, the poor accumulate years. Topic: Wealth and happiness. This proverb suggests that wealth and happiness are not necessarily correlated. It implies that while the rich may accumulate money, the poor accumulate life experiences and wisdom. It suggests that money cannot buy happiness, and that true happiness comes from within and from the experiences of life. This proverb can be used to remind people that money does not guarantee happiness, and that the accumulation of life experiences and personal growth are just as valuable. 4. Those who despise money will eventually sponge on their friends. Topic: Attitudes towards money. This proverb suggests that those who have a negative attitude towards money and refuse to accumulate it will eventually become a burden on others. It implies that while money may not be the most important thing in life, it is still necessary for survival and independence. The proverb also suggests that those who despise money may be envious of those who have it. This proverb can be used to encourage people to have a healthy attitude towards money and understand its value. It can also be used to caution against being too dependent on others and to promote independence. 5. With money one may command devils, without it, one cannot even summon a man. Topic: The power of money. This proverb emphasizes the power and influence that money can bring. It suggests that with money, one can control people and situations, even those that seem impossible to control. Without money, one has no influence or power, and cannot even get the attention of others. This proverb can be used to illustrate the power of money and the opportunities it can provide. It can also be used to caution against being overly reliant on money and to promote the importance of values such as humility and empathy. 6. Good manners can be paid for with compliments, but only the sound of money will pay your debts. Topic: The value of money. This proverb suggests that while compliments and good manners may be appreciated, they cannot pay off debts or fulfill financial obligations. It implies that money is essential for survival and that without it, even the most virtuous person may struggle to meet their financial obligations. This proverb can be used to encourage people to prioritize financial stability and responsibility. It can also be used to caution against relying too heavily on social skills. 7. He who can persuade someone not to gamble has earned money for him. Topic: Gambling and persuasion. This proverb suggests that convincing someone not to gamble is just as valuable as earning money. It implies that gambling can be a destructive habit and that helping someone overcome it can have long-term benefits. The proverb also suggests that persuasion is a valuable skill that can be used to achieve positive outcomes. This proverb can be used to promote responsible gambling habits and encourage people to seek help if they have a gambling problem. It can also be used to promote the value of persuasion and its ability to bring about positive change. 8. He who has a lot of money and no children is not rich, he who has many children and no money is not a pauper. Topic: Wealth and family. This proverb suggests that true wealth is not just measured in monetary terms, but also in the richness of one's family life. It implies that having children and a supportive family can bring happiness and fulfillment, regardless of financial status. The proverb also suggests that having a lot of money without children or family can lead to loneliness and emptiness. This proverb can be used to promote the importance of family and the value of non-monetary wealth. It can also be used to caution against equating financial success with true happiness and fulfillment. 9. I have money, you have money, so we are friends. Topic: Friendship and money. This proverb suggests that money can be a common ground for friendship. It implies that people with similar financial status are more likely to become friends and form a bond. The proverb also suggests that money can bring people together and create a sense of camaraderie. Usage: this proverb can be used to promote the value of friendship and the ways in which money can bring people together. It can also be used to caution against forming relationships based solely on financial status. 10. If you have money and wine, your friends will be many. Topic: Wealth and social status. This proverb suggests that having money and indulging in luxury can attract many friends. It implies that people are drawn to those who are financially successful and can provide them with lavish experiences. The proverb also suggests that wealth can bring social status and popularity. This proverb can be used to caution against forming relationships based solely on material possessions. It can also be used to promote the value of genuine friendships and the importance of shared values. 11. Lend money to someone who won't pay you back and he'll hate you. Topic: Borrowing and lending money. This proverb suggests that lending money to someone who does not have the means or intention to pay it back can lead to a breakdown in relationships. It implies that financial transactions can have emotional consequences and that lending money can create resentment if not handled carefully. This proverb can be used to promote responsible borrowing and lending practices. It can also be used to caution against lending money to those who may not be able to pay it back. 12. Money can buy a lot that is not even for sale. Topic: The power of money. This proverb emphasizes the power of money and its ability to influence people and situations. It implies that money can be used to achieve things that are not even available for sale, such as influence or power. The proverb also suggests that money can be used to manipulate people and situations. This proverb can be used to caution against using money as a means of manipulation or coercion. It can also be used to promote the value of ethics and integrity in financial transactions. 13. No iron is so strong that it cannot be melted down, and no business so dirty that can be fixed with money. Topic: Ethics and integrity. This proverb suggests that no situation is so difficult that it cannot be solved with honesty and integrity. It implies that money cannot fix unethical behavior and that true solutions require ethical decision-making. The proverb also suggests that integrity is a valuable asset that cannot be bought with money. This proverb can be used to promote the value of honesty and integrity in business and personal relationships. It can also be used to caution against unethical behavior and the belief that money can solve all problems. 14. The day your horse dies and your money's gone, your relatives change into strangers. Topic: Wealth and family. This proverb suggests that family relationships can be affected by financial status. It implies that when someone loses their wealth, their family may no longer support them and may even distance themselves. The proverb also suggests that wealth can be a defining factor in family relationships. This proverb can be used to caution against relying too heavily on financial success and the potential consequences it can have on family relationships. It can also be used to promote the value of unconditional love and support within families. 15. When money is stolen, you can only beat the dog. Topic: Theft and blame. This proverb suggests that when money is stolen, people often resort to blaming others who may not be responsible. It implies that people may lash out at innocent parties, such as a dog, rather than accepting responsibility for their own lack of vigilance or security. The proverb also suggests that money can create a sense of defensiveness and irrational behavior. This proverb can be used to promote responsible financial practices and the importance of accepting responsibility for one's own actions. It can also be used to caution against irrational behavior and misplaced blame. 16. Win your lawsuit and lose your money. Topic: Legal battles and finances. This proverb suggests that legal battles can be costly and may not always result in a financial gain. It implies that even if someone wins a lawsuit, they may end up losing more money in legal fees and expenses. The proverb also suggests that financial gain may not always be the primary goal in legal battles. This proverb can be used to promote responsible legal practices and the importance of weighing the costs and benefits of legal action. It can also be used to caution against equating financial gain with legal victory. 17. With money you can make the dead speak, without it you can't even keep the deaf quiet. Topic: The power of money. This proverb emphasizes the power of money and its ability to influence people and situations. It implies that money can be used to achieve things that are seemingly impossible, such as making the dead speak. The proverb also suggests that money can be used to silence people or prevent them from speaking out. This proverb can be used to promote the importance of ethics and integrity in financial transactions. It can also be used to caution against using money to manipulate or coerce others. 18. With money, a dragon; without it, a worm. Topic: The power of money. This proverb emphasizes the power of money and its ability to elevate someone's status and influence. It implies that with money, someone can become as powerful and intimidating as a dragon, while without it, they may be insignificant like a worm. The proverb also suggests that financial success can have a transformative effect on someone's life. This proverb can be used to promote the importance of financial independence and the potential benefits of achieving financial success. It can also be used to caution against equating financial success with personal worth or value. Money is a powerful force in our lives, and these 18 Chinese proverbs provide valuable lessons about how to navigate the complex relationship between wealth and happiness. Whether we're seeking financial success or simply trying to live a fulfilling life, these proverbs offer wisdom and guidance that can help us achieve our goals. By understanding the deeper meanings behind each proverb, we can gain new insights into our own relationship with money and make wiser choices that will benefit us in the long run. Thank you for watching, and we hope you've enjoyed exploring these fascinating proverbs with us.